Hey there, guys, and welcome back to Get Going Fast, the place where we get into this AI hobby in a quick and efficient manner in which you might actually learn something. And this is the early morning edition. This is the woke up at 2 a.m. and who needs sleep? I guess let's just surrender and go back to work edition. So today we are going to be looking at the new LTX version 0.98, and we're going to be getting that installed into your ComfyUI, which is so awesome. And we're going to look at some of the stuff beyond just the normal quality bump that LTX has. It has some other interesting things, and one of them is that we're going to be able to actually create minute-long videos. Now, I've made it 240, but now there's some interesting stuff that's going to be taking place with that. Notice this video, we started out here, and it took it a completely different direction, but it's still kind of interesting. So that actually kind of want to play with. This is over 240 frames. Did the same thing over here with the turtles. It actually made a weird video, but it really extrapolated from the original. So I have a feeling that there's going to be some interesting playing with this. Probably ability to use first frames, last frames with the stuff that's really going to kind of make this model cool to play with. And that's out of the box. We don't need to add anything else to make these long videos. So it's not a difficult process. We're going to just show you how to get down the new GGUF models, as well as show you the updated Get Going Fast Quant Manager. So before we do that, though, I want to thank you for liking the channel and subscribing. It really helps. Sometimes you guys ask, say, like, how can we help, liking your videos. So it's all good. Probably the number one thing you can do is just share my videos. Actually send them to people, get them out there into different places. That really helps to get the word out and get more people into this, because the more people we have involved in our hobby, the better it is, because then there's a market for our hobby. So thanks for doing that, man. I really appreciate that. You guys are the bee's knees. So let's move on with LTX and getting our pictures of Taylor Swift and Ninja Turtles kissing and going, and life is going to be great. All right, then. Well, we don't have a lot to do. It's not that difficult of a process, but we are going to look at a few different things here. Let's first of all, we're going to pop on over to our browser, and up here we have updated the installer and model manager over at Get Going Fast. So if you are a member or want to be a member, you can go over there and just get that for free, and you get that by going to LTX.getgoingfast.pro. Okay, easy peasy. All you do at this point is you just download it, extract it here to outside of your Comfy folder. So this is your ComfyUI. See, this is all your stuff. This is outside of it. And then you just double click it, and it looks like this. Very simple. You just make sure you got your prerequisites, and then it goes through here, and you can do a quick install, or you can manage your diffusion models. Notice I have the older 9.7 and the 9.8s in there. So very easy to use. You can add them, you can delete it. That way you can manage your space real easy. And this uses the same workflow as the 9.7 did. So if you already had that, you're fine. Okay, you're going to be doing great. All right, so that is at LTX.getgoingfast.pro, and you can get that. Otherwise, we're going to go ahead and we're going to install this manually. Okay, so let's go ahead and we're going to pop over to here. Let's go back to our Taylor Swift here, and this really isn't that difficult. All we're going to do is we're going to type LTX GGUF. Okay, so GGUFs are quant models. Again, we've talked a lot about that. Quants, basically, you just take something that's larger and they make it less precise. You take in a long number like 1.2345678 and you're cutting it down to 1.2345. That kind of idea. Okay, you're making it so that it can run a bit easier. Now we're going to grab this City 90X LTX video. Oh, actually, no, we're not going to grab that. We're going to type LTX 0.98. We need to make sure we get the right one. So we're going to type 0.98 GGUF. Okay, and notice that these were the wrong version. So we need to scroll till we get the right one here. Okay, and now I went ahead and added the word GitHub because I was having a hard time finding it. And we want to get down here to this where it says QuantStack. QuantStack's the guy that's got these for us. And notice it's LTX.13B 0.9.8. You see, notice a bunch of these are like 9.5. That's no good. That's old. Old as the hills. So we're going to click onto this one. And it's going to bring us over to here. And as usual, we're just going to click on this files and versions. And you're going to see your different quants here. Okay, so really easy. We're just going to pick the quant we want. Usually a Q5KS is a good place to start. Usually that's a good balance between precision and speed. So when you're dealing with quants, the main thing is you want to say like, I want it precise. I don't want mistakes, because the less precise you go, the more mistakes you get. You know, maybe an extra arm coming out, or you know, the quality isn't so good. But also, if it takes me an hour to do a 3-second video, that's no good. So you're finding that balance between the two. And Q5KS is typically a good place to start. Now, if you've already installed LTX, then you're set, okay? Because you're going to already have your what do you call it? You're going to already have all of your supporting files in there. And so then all you have to do is actually, I'm looking for something here. Right? All you got to do is actually download the model itself. So let's go ahead, and what we're going to do is we're going to go here and click on, how about we'll click on the Q5. So we'll hit the download, okay, and that's going to pop up this. Okay, and you know it's going to pop up a save thing. So what we're going to do is you're going to go find where you've installed your ComfyUI. You go inside the ComfyUI folder, and then you see something called models. So we'll click onto models. Okay, and then we want to go to diffusion models. Okay, and oh, maybe not here. Actually, let's take a look. Rather we want to go down here to this folder called UNet. My apologies. So we'll click on the one called UNet. Okay, and you're going to see I got all my stuff in here, and then you'll save it, and you can see I've already got like a Q4KM in there. So then you'll just click save, and it'll go in there, and then we're actually ready to just pop up ComfyUI. So let's go back to here and load ComfyUI. All right, so you get into here, and now you need to have downloaded your workflow. Again, so you're going to have to find a workflow. You can go to Civitai, or you can do a Google search. Otherwise, the Quant Manager has this workflow loaded into it. I'm going to assume you already have a workflow, though. But like I said, you can always get it over at LTX.getgoingfast.pro. All right, so once this is loaded up, if you haven't installed this before, you'll have your typical, a bunch of these things are going to be red. And you just got to click on Manager, and then you go to Install Missing Custom Nodes, and you're going to install the stuff. Although I will say it's a very good idea to update your ComfyUI before you use this stuff. So click Update All, let that go, restart, then come back in and do your Custom Nodes Manager. But that's assuming you haven't ran this before. If you haven't ran this at all, you should probably go watch my other video on how to install LTX together, because this is kind of more like an update video. But I will just say, once you add, over here, you add your image or whatever, you'll click Run, okay? And if you're missing anything, it'll show up in red. So you're going to need this VAE. It's LTX.13B. Actually, we need to update that too. So let's actually update that now that I see that. Let's go ahead and type into here the name of it, LTXV 13B 0.9.8 VAE BF16.save tensors. Now, I always type it up here just so I can look down here and read what I'm typing, but we don't actually want to search from here because we want to keep the screen up. So let's change it over here. Notice I changed the 7 to an 8. So let's go to here, and we need to find that. See if they've got it over here at Lightrix. Okay, and so where we ended up back here is at our quant stack, back where we downloaded our other models. And notice it says the distilled VAE is here. So we're just going to click on this download, and that is going to bring up this screen again. And so then from here we will go back to our ComfyUI, go to our models, and then we're going to click this folder called VAE. So I actually almost missed that. I'm glad we grid that. So click that and save, and that will go ahead and download. So then if we go back over to our browser here, then we can actually, we'll hit the reload. And then we can go over to here, and we can actually grab the new VAE. So there you go. All right. Notice over here you got your UNet loader. So here's where you'll click to grab the model that you want there. And then you should actually be ready to go. Okay, so notice the notes down here. These are from the old version because this is a workflow that was made for 0.97, but everything still works the same. If you want to do text to video, you can just undo that. That'll highlight, that'll notice it, see it bypasses that. Or you can keep it on to do the whatever. So can work with this. Now, this model, like I said, works with large frames. So one of the things you can do over here, there's your frame rate. Look at that. I did 625 frames, okay? And it didn't take that long to do. It took 1001. Okay, so it took 10 minutes or so to do that. It's still not bad. You know, longer than 10 minutes. Maybe 20, 15, 20. Not that terrible, though. That's a lot of frames. But that's how you did it, okay? So we went ahead. If you want to go get some more models, then you can just go back here and you can grab your different ones you want to try. If that one's taking too long, try a smaller one. If it's going fast and you want to try better, pop it up there, okay? Again, you can use the model manager over here and it'll just take care of it for you with a few buttons. But then regardless what you do, you're in the game. You're LTXing it up with the best of them. Okay, so all right, well, we're going to end it there. Hope you guys enjoy the new model. Come over and share your stuff that you're making with us over on the Discord. Happy to have you. We got a good group of guys over there that sharing their stuff. So bring your stuff over. You'll find someone you want to hang out with. We are on Reddit. Okay, so you can find us over there as Get Going Fast. Okay, I'm looking for moderators over there if you want to come and help build that up. Oh, build you up and make you all famous for doing that. You can find us on X under CogniBuild, and you can find us on Instagram as CogniBuild. If you want my personal help as well, you can always come over and sign up as a rancher or a gunslinger class over there, and you actually get my personal time where I will work on you with a project. So always happy to help you out as well. And with that, we are going to leave it good for you. Hope your guys' week goes well. We're supposed to be having a live stream here soon, so we'll get on that. And in the meanwhile, you guys stay good and treat each other well, yo.